Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Poco runs the MIUI version that supports split screen. This matters because gestures and menus differ. Once confirmed, open the first app you want visible and enter recent apps or multitasking. Make sure you use the gesture or button gesture you normally do. This changes how you invoke split screen. Next, tap the app's icon in recent and choose split screen, which anchors it to the top or left pane so you can pick the second app. Once the first app is anchored, select the second app from Recent, Home, or the app drawer to occupy the other pane. This creates two concurrent windows. Make sure to drag the central divider to resize the panes to about 50/50 or any custom width you need, because different tasks require different proportions. If you plan to reuse the pair, save an app pair if your Poco supports it. Also use the swap button or drag icons to reverse positions without restarting split screen. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge or tap the close handle, which returns a single app to full screen. Once done, background processes continue as expected. Make sure to pause media or adjust audio settings if sound routes between apps unexpectedly. If split screen fails to start or an app refuses to resize, force close Recent, update MIUI and the apps, or reboot the Poco. These steps clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.